Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so the connection is stable. On your Surface Pro, install all pending Windows updates and enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This ensures Miracast or casting works. On the TV, pick the input, open the HDMI port, or enable the screen mirror or casting app. Once done, plug any required HDMI adapter into the Surface Pro and connect the cable. Make sure the TV is set to the matching input so the device can be discovered immediately. Now you actually connect and configure the display. Open Action Center and choose Project, then select Connect to a wireless display if using Miracast. Pick the TV from the list. If using HDMI, right-click Desktop, Display Settings, then choose Duplicate or Extend, and set the TV resolution and scaling so text and UI aren't tiny. For Chromecast or AirPlay, cast from Chrome or a supported app. Make sure both devices are on the same network, and then adjust audio output to the TV. Finish by confirming audio and display behave as expected. Open Sound Settings and set the TV or HDMI as the output device, then test a video to check lip sync and colors. If you see lag, flicker, or no signal, restart the Surface Pro, the TV, and the router, then reconnect cables or reinitiate casting. This clears common handshake faults. Finally, tweak resolution, orientation, and scaling so text is readable and the picture fills the screen. That solves most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.